What's up guys, in this video I am gonna show you how to delete an app not on home screen iPhone. Today's tutorial is special for those users who want to delete an app on iPhone that they can't find. So watch this my full video steps to uninstall apps on iPhone when hidden. Before that, you can catch up multiple ways to delete app on your iPhone by above video card. Now let's start. Open the settings app. Scroll down the screen, tap on General. In third step, tap on iPhone storage. If you have iPad, then click on iPad storage. Next, on your device screen, you have to scroll the screen to find applications list that you have installed. Just scroll the screen, now find an app to delete permanently. For example, I am clicking on baby photoshoot. Now tap delete app. A final pop-up asks, deleting apps will also delete all of its documents and data. These actions can't be undone. Are you agree? Click on delete app. That's fine. In short, you can find here all apps that are installed on your device onboard storage. It doesn't matter apps are hidden or not. For more information, comment down below. And last, give like to this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thus, I hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.